this episode, we're going to do something completely different. We're catching a plane to go to New Zealand and doing a 6-day charter boat in the North Islands. We're catching big tuna, big snapper, big marlin, big kingfish, you name it. It's going to be so much different to the barrel fishing out here, but I'm really keen, really excited. The whole family is. We're going to have a time, so please stay tuned.
Have I ever turned you on? Have I ever done you wrong? Ever set your mind at ease? Well, let me know. Have I ever made you smile?
Bit of red.
Oh, for even just a while.
Bye bye.
Did I play or did I cheat?
Yoo-hoo!
Let me know.
Oh, good stuff. Oh, that's a good one. Good fish burgers.
Nice. What's that? Highway.
There's something wrong. Oh, baby, you're so like we used to be. You and me. Now we're apart.
Oh, look at all the bay on the top there.
Like we used to be. You and me. Now we're apart.
Found a key so far, Dave.
Mackies.
Couple of big snapper there.
Oh, baby, you're so like we used to be. You and me. Now we're apart. Tell me why, baby, you're so
Oh, Sammy! That's a proper one.
Get in this corner, mate. Arms together.
Lock your fingers in.
Yeah, lock your fingers.
Yeah.
Like that. Elbows
Slide
in.
them forwards a bit.
Elbows in.
Right, yeah.
Good, Sammy.
Yeah, it's a dinner.
Can't believe you're using them for burley.
Goes down to me as I put them on. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's very good. Yeah? Oh, look at that.
Hopefully it's a snap.
Yeah, I really hope it is. Is that on the head? Yeah. You're in the danger zone, though. It's quite real. Yeah.
If you have to go around the boat.
Oh, look at it. Look at the size of it.
What is that?
Oh,
Look at the huge
it
snapper!
looks like a big kingy.
Look at the huge snapper! It's a huge snapper!
Calm as hell.
Leader, shark.
Well, the kingfish didn't go as planned. Haven't got a bite today, but we're just trolling to these islands here. Tuna, and these two are marlin.
turn him into a kingy, the Australian salmon. Oh, look at this kid getting locked
Okay,
in.
Anna's getting locked in. Oh, that is a serious reel. On your marks. You ready for a workout?
Right, we'll have the drag set low for the bites, and then we'll just ease it up. And then if it's too much for you, I'll probably just unhook you and someone else can grab it.
You back off, he's gonna go.
Stick it to him. Give it to him.
Just go slow, Poms. Lift him up, now reel.
You want to
Lift him
someone
up.
come hold him, bro?
Now reel.
Hold him and make sure he doesn't.
It's not a massive one.
Yeah, detail it.
What the?
It's huge, that's the tail coming up first.
What is it?
What is that?
I don't even know. But...
It's been bitten in half. Keep going, Sam.
He's hooked on the tail.
Come up now.
Oh, he's...
Oh, he dropped it.
Wow. Geez, you did well hold on to that.
big bronzy, but he was just body wrapped around and around.
Hey, Maxie's on.
I got it.
Second shark of the night.
Come here, me. He's doing squats. Oh, so.
Get him away from that anchor.
Oh, he's around the tail. He's big.
Drop that drag. I got a sail.
Crazy.
Straight in the cliff. Look how nice it looks up there.
Oh, that one. Maybe get it. Yeah, I don't really want them just sitting here.
Ah, Tommy on the stick.
Woo!
Nice little grab. Hold up, get a picture drag by loosely click around.
Early morning, we've got the stick bed out. Nice small one to start. Dad's the one as well. So, doubles to start. Well, here we are. We're parked up in the bay for the night. Max and I have got the kayak in here. We're on a beach in the middle of New Zealand. Alright. Well, we're just parked up in the bay right now. It's a bit windy out in the open, so we've all gone parked in closed here. I think Max, me and Archie are gonna go for a dive. We've got sashimi and everything's sorted. He's a bit tired.
Headache.
But yeah, the sea's been a bit rough, so we're just hiding in at the moment.
How many sharks like pineapple?
Let's go.
That's a power show. It's actually so nice though. You know I don't speak too much. Oh, I don't speak too much. Okay, you know I'm coming. I'll be right around with you. I'll be right around with you. Brother Johnson, you know I'm coming. I'll be right around with you. I'll be right around with you.
Yeah, 10 days in a foreign land without you here. Dead way, I've been holding on to my let go
catch bag is nice and loaded. Archie's gonna go try and find some crays because he can get down real deep, a bit more than us Darwin boys. But yeah, it's absolutely freezing, so I'm out. I think Max will join me soon. Bro, Archie's a machine. Far out.
Have you seen the thing he does?
Yeah, he has like, yeah, it's like his breathing technique.
His hands flat.
Alright guys, we're here. We've got the belly pot in, it's coming down the sunset, and there's heaps of snapper down here.
No, I'm kidding.
That's not a 32, eh, bro? It's a 31.
Sam, is actually any big?
Yeah, it's a 79.
It's been sharked.
Oh yeah!
Yeah, he's had a scuff on his head, eh? He's had a tough time, this fella.
Double hook
That
up.
one's a bit bigger than mine.
Ooh.
Getting bigger.
Oh.
That one!
Oh, look at that. That is a big snapper.
Oh, right on the corner. Pinned them.
Holy crap.
Alright, now keep that line tight. It hasn't jumped yet. You fucking believe that? You just put it in like 10 seconds ago.
Just woke up.
Yeah, well, we just looked at each other funny for food and we're like, fuck off.
Yeah, we were all sleeping. Dad was first out of bed.
It didn't look like a marlin bite.
Yeah, it's about 300 or 400 on the natives. I reckon it's a 55. Yeah, no, right, finger. Woo! Yeah, boy!
Yes!
Fucking awesome! Woo! Yeah, boy! Oh, yeah! You bloody beauty!
Oh my god!
Good morning. Congratulations, mate.
Holy
Do you want your glasses?
That's it. It's too heavy. With the bumpy bow ride, really.
Oh.
Thanks, man. That was awesome. Is that the taste of success or what?
And this is how they end up.
guys, we just had a striped marlin attack at the back. And I'm on strike for the next about 18 minutes. So hopefully this 18 minutes will be the best 18 minutes of my life. Alright guys, so we just finished the trip, had a good time, caught about 5 good fish I'd say. We caught 3 good snapper, 1 good kingfish, 1 good tuna. I got a top 5, I got a 55 centimetre snapper, so that was an okay size one. But aside from that, thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next episode. Cheers.